Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Dice Resin Molds is probably one of the most versatile and exciting crafting kits available for anyone looking to create their own unique dice for tabletop games, or even just as a fun and engaging hobby, offering a fantastic opportunity to dive into the world of resin art and personalize your gaming accessories with a touch of creativity and flair. Number 5. PUDUO Epoxy Resin Crystal Clear Art 1 Gallon with Pump Kit. Introducing our crystal clear epoxy resin, perfect for all your artistic endeavors. This kit provides everything you need for stunning, long-lasting results. Achieve finished castings in as little as 8 hours and full cure within a day. Simply mix 1 part resin with 1 part hardener for a smooth, workable experience. Unleash your creativity with this versatile resin. It's ideal for casting, doming, jewelry making, tabletops, and so much more. This generous 1-gallon kit includes both resin and hardener, along with a convenient pump for precise mixing and application. We stand by our product with a 1-year replacement guarantee and lifetime technical support. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This epoxy resin kit offers a crystal clear finish perfect for coating and casting. Its fast curing time means you can finish projects in as little as 1 day. If you are looking for a reliable and quick-drying resin for art, jewelry, or tabletops, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is very easy to use. Make sure to have the right 1-to-1 ratio. It is definitely self-leveling. It has little to no bubbles, and the few bubbles you have are easy to remove with heat gun. Best resin on the market. Out of all I have tried, this has the least amount of bubbles. It cures quickly and clear. It does not have a bad smell like some of the others and is an easy 1-to-1 ratio pour and mix. It's easy to work with and dries clear with few bubbles. I like the long work time as well. The hand pump also reduces messes, which is always a plus. Number 4. Mama and Baby Keychain Resin Mold Set. Unleash your creativity with this versatile mold set. Perfect for crafting unique keychains, pendants, and more, featuring charming mama and baby animal designs. This set comes complete with silicone molds in elephant, alpaca, and polar bear shapes. It also includes keychain rings and jump rings for effortless jewelry making. Design heartfelt gifts like family-matching keychains, backpack ornaments, or personalized necklaces. They make wonderful baby shower or thank you presents. Use it with a wide range of materials including resin, modeling clay, concrete, soap, and wax. The possibilities are endless for your crafting projects. These transparent, flexible molds are designed for easy demolding and a glossy finish. They are also food grade and can be used in ovens, dishwashers, and refrigerators. With a temperature resistance from -40 to 220 degrees Celsius, these molds are built to last. Enjoy creating beautiful items for years to come. What we like. Create adorable mama and baby themed jewelry and keychains with this silicone mold set. It comes with all the necessary rings and accessories to get started right away. If you love making personalized gifts, family themed items, or cute bag charms, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Good quality and easy to clean. Loved the selection and the fact they're easy to use and fill. The pieces had a nice glossy shine. The mold is thicker than others I have used, so I hope they will last longer than thinner molds I have used before. The molds are also deeper than others I have used. I had no trouble with sticking and the pieces had a nice glossy shine. I have used 2-part and UV resin with these molds, both worked well. Number 3. Resin Dice Box Mold for D&D. This kit includes everything you need to get started, including the main mold and magnets for a secure closure. Crafted from high-quality, thickened silicone, these molds are built to last and are easy to clean after each use. The innovative conjoined rectangle design offers plenty of space for your creative ideas, perfect for both experienced crafters and beginners. Unleash your creativity by adding your favorite paints, decorations, or fillers to make a truly one-of-a-kind dice container. Designed to perfectly fit a standard 7-piece set of polyhedral dice, it's ideal for showcasing your collection during Dungeons & Dragons games. Impress your friends at your next D&D session by displaying your beautifully handmade resin dice box and the charm of your unique artwork. What we like. This mold creates a convenient dice box with integrated magnets for a secure closure, perfect for Dungeons and Dragons enthusiasts. The thickened silicone ensures durability and ease of use. If you're a gamer looking to craft a personalized and functional dice storage solution, this is the mold you need. What people say. I love the size and it's a great way to present personalized dice. There's a good amount of surface area to add decoration to really make it your own. I've poured it a couple times so far and each time it comes out gorgeous with a luxe shine. Easy to clean, recommend just running a soft tool to release any trapped bubbles along edge and pegs but easily released as there are no tight spots. Mold was perfectly level, I was surprised to not have to use any shims or alter my work surface. It's very customizable and holds 7 dice as a present. Number 2. Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit. Discover the Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit, your ultimate solution for creating custom molds. This kit offers a premium, non-toxic silicone rubber that's perfect for all your crafting needs. Mixing and pouring are a breeze with our 1:1 ratio system. Simply combine part A and part B, stir for 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. It's designed for effortless use, even for beginners. Achieve flawless, bubble-free molds every time. The liquid silicone automatically releases air bubbles within 2 hours, eliminating the need for vacuum degassing. Enjoy a smooth finish without the hassle. Get your projects done faster with our 4-hour fast cure time. The finished molds are super elastic and resistant to tearing, ensuring they capture intricate details and release easily. This versatile kit is perfect for creating resin molds, candle molds, soap molds, and more. Let your creativity flow with this easy-to-use, high-quality molding silicone. New to mold making. This kit is designed with you in mind. No special skills or tools are required, making it a fun and accessible activity for everyone. What we like. This mold-making silicone kit is ideal for beginners, offering a non-toxic and bubble-free formula that cures in just 4 hours. Its high elasticity captures intricate details beautifully. If you want to easily create your own custom resin molds for various crafts without special equipment, this kit is a great starting point. What people say. Super easy to use and a very translucent color, which let me add my own mica powders to change the color. Works really well. Easy to mix and no or low bubbles. This silicone mold making kit opens up a world of possibilities for creative expression. Its ability to capture fine details with precision ensures that my creations stand out with remarkable clarity and sophistication. Number 1. Let's Resin Silicone Split Cups. Introducing our thickened silicone split cups, crafted from high-quality, durable material. These cups are designed for repeated use, making them perfect for all your crafting needs. Each cup features a convenient handle for easy handling and an angled diverter tip. This design ensures precise pouring, prevents spills, and minimizes waste. With 2 to 5 channels, these cups allow you to mix and pour multiple colors simultaneously. Unleash your creativity and achieve stunning multicolored effects in your art. These versatile cups are ideal for mixing epoxy and pigments, serving as excellent painting supplies. They are especially suited for fluid art enthusiasts looking to explore unique painting styles. We are committed to providing a great consumer experience with our products. If you have any issues, please contact us for excellent service and a satisfactory shopping experience. What we like. Achieve stunning fluid art effects with these thickened silicone split cups, featuring an angled diverter for precise pouring and multiple channels for color separation. They are durable and reusable, making them perfect for fluid art enthusiasts. If you enjoy acrylic pouring, resin art, or any craft that involves mixing and pouring multiple colors simultaneously, these cups will elevate your creations. What people say. I like this, especially as you get all of the different pour options. Well made, easy to use and easy to clean. Exactly the right size for my resin crafts. I'm using them to pour different colors of epoxy resin in my resin crafts so the colors mix and make colored swirls in my projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.